Old news, unwrapping its meaning. Hello everyone. Today, we are going to dive into a commonly used phrase in the English language, old news. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help solidify your understanding. So, let's get started. Before diving into the idiomatic use of old news, let's first understand its literal meaning. Old, something that has existed for a long time. News, information or reports about recent events. When combined, old news literally means information or reports about events that happened a long time ago. But is that how it's always used? Let's explore further. In everyday conversation, old news is often used as an idiom. An idiom is a phrase where the words together have a different meaning than the individual words would suggest. When someone says something is old news, they often mean 1. The information is not new or surprising to them. 2. It's something that everyone already knows. 3. It might be irrelevant or not important at the moment. For example, if someone tells you a piece of gossip that you've already heard, you might reply, "Oh, that's old news." Understanding a phrase is often easier with examples. Let's go through some. 1. Did you hear about the big update to the app? Yeah, that's old news. I updated it last week. 2. They're launching a new flavor of ice cream next month. Actually, that's old news. I read about it in a magazine a while ago. 3. Did you know they're getting married? Come on, that's old news. They announced it months ago. From these examples, you can see that old news is used to express that the information is already known and might not be as exciting or surprising as the person sharing it might think. So there you have it. Old news isn't always about newspapers from last year. In everyday English, it's a casual way to say that something is already known or no longer relevant. We hope this explanation helps you in your English language journey. Remember, the more you practice and immerse yourself in real conversations, the more such idioms will become clear to you. Until next time, happy learning!